What if the future of construction didn't just depend on bricks and mortar, but on bytes and data? Can AI solve one of the construction industry's biggest challenges, the labor shortage? Welcome to OneStats. Today, we are diving into how AI is revolutionizing the construction industry. And trust us, you will want to stick around because the answers might surprise you. Did you know that labor shortages in building materials manufacturing are disrupting the entire construction sector? Experienced workers are retiring, taking invaluable knowledge with them, while fewer new entrants are joining the industry. This has led to delays, soaring costs, and stalled economy. What's the biggest obstacle standing in the way of solving this crisis? Let's unpack the data. The manufacturing sector generates a staggering 1.9 petabytes of data annually, yet only a small portion is effectively used. Enter AI, the ultimate workforce ally, from generative AI platforms to digital coaches. These technologies aren't replacing workers, they are enhancing them. How can AI take unused data and turn it into solutions that workers rely on daily? Let's explore this transformation. How do we preserve the knowledge of experienced workers before they retire? AI is redefining how we capture and pass down knowledge. Through digitalizing tribal knowledge, AI captures insights from retiring workers and convert it into actionable guidance for newcomers. Here's a glimpse of what companies are reporting. Faster onboarding for new hires, fewer expert callouts, thanks to AI-driven solutions. What other revolutionary benefits are shaping the future? Let's break it down. As of April 2023, there were 338,000 job openings in construction. AI-powered solutions provide real-time guidance, filling skill gaps. Generative AI transforms knowledge into accessible resources. Organizations adopting AI report improve productivity, higher retention, and faster onboarding. The skilled labor shortage is both a challenge and an opportunity. The synergy between human expertise and AI is redefining workforce development, ensuring safety, productivity, and growth in the construction sector. Want to see how your organization can embrace this transformation? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into cutting-edge trends. Let's build the future together. Stay tuned to OneStats for news that matters.